Welcome to part 6 of our chapter 1 video presentation. In this part we will talk briefly about various project management tools. Now there are a lot of super tools out there, and by super tools we mean various tools and techniques that have high use in project management and also have been proven to improve chances of success for projects. And that includes all kinds of tools, software tools used for task scheduling or budgeting, various software tools and simple templates for creating scope statements, for doing requirements analysis, for generating lessons learned reports, and all kinds of other things. So you just have like Gantt Chart, change request, templates for kickoff meetings, progress report, and so forth. So there are like really a countless set of different tools and techniques that is available, and that has been widely used and also proven to be conducive to improving chances of success of a project. But nowadays, of course, all those tools are typically embedded into one big software product. And literally, there are hundreds of different products to assist in performing project management. Roughly speaking, those tools can be divided into low-end tools. Handle single or small projects. They usually cost something like under $200 per user. Some of them are free. One tool that I would like to show you, and the link to this tool is available from the handout section of our course in Canvas, is Productive. It's a free tool that can be used for small teams and small projects. Mid-range tools, they handle multiple projects and users. They're slightly more expensive. Microsoft Project is, I think the latest version so far is 2013. It's probably the most well-known in that category. In fact, Project Manager, I think up to recent times, Microsoft Project has been one of the most commonly used applications for project management. You can download Microsoft Project 2013 from that Inspire website from Microsoft. I already posted instructions to our course in Canvas with those download instructions. Although I'm not requiring you to use Microsoft Project, some of the deliverables for your group projects, such as work breakdown structure, Gantt chart, and networking diagram, they can be easily and quickly generated with Microsoft Project. Also, there is a link available, like a YouTube tutorial on Microsoft Project through the Canvas handout section. So I think you can really learn. You can get up and running with Microsoft Project in a couple of hours. So although I don't require it, I highly recommend it. And then there are those high-end tools that can support big projects, enterprise level projects, many users. To be honest, I'm not familiar with this product. The one that seems to be number one, in my opinion, in this category is the so-called Jira tool. It's an online project management tool. It's very social. It's geared towards online collaboration. It's very intuitive for the so-called millennials because it has an interface similar to that of Facebook. But again, there are so many other ones. You can always find, like if you Google, you can find those reviews of various applications. I just want to show you a couple of slides. Like here you see something that looks like a Gantt chart. So on the left side you have tasks or the overall work breakdown structure for your project. And then for each task you will specify duration, the start and ending time. You will also specify milestones. And Microsoft Project will generate this nice looking Gantt chart. And then you can rapidly switch to a networking diagram. So based on that, it will create a network and so forth. And so that's what I mean by network diagram. So here you have not only their task and their due dates, you also have their relationships or dependencies. So yeah, there are a lot of tools out there just to show you where you can start. So if you go to the handout section, here you'll see Imagine instructions for Spring 2017. So basically each of you has a login already registered with Microsoft Imagine website. So follow those instructions to go to their website and download Microsoft Project or any other software that you may need, maybe not only for this class but also for other courses. Also here it's a small YouTube tutorial about Jira, which is that big enterprise project management tool. I suggest you take a look at it. And also a demo for a smaller tool, or like an explanation for a smaller tool called Productive. Personally, I use Productive all the time for my work, for my research, for my administrative duties and so forth. So take a look at those tools to get some examples on modern project management tools. Okay friends, so this completes part 6 of our video presentation on chapter 1. Thank you for listening.